Good day to you guys. So in this video I want to talk about kill zones. And guys, kill zones are known as the basic entry level or as the basic idea which we can give to time and price concepts of ICT, or as inner circles traders time and price concepts. Okay, so guys, basically in time and price concept the basic idea is the price action during that time, simple as that. Okay, so for an example, we have 24 hours for a day, and we divide that day into sessions. That means Asian sessions, London and New York session. So in that scenario guys, in London session price acts different, like price acts something different when it compares to Asian session and also to the New York session, so something like that. So in this case guys, these are the two trades that I took today, and one is currently running and the other one is actually I took that trade. And yeah, so basically if you guys know that I use time and price concepts to take entries. Okay, so according to my trading plan, today is Wednesday, and actually I like to trade on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays. So simple as that, we have time and price concepts applied in that scenario as well. So guys, these time and price concepts, okay, time and price can be applied on hours, minutes, okay, minutes and days. Okay, so keep that in your mind guys. So there are some days we have less volume in the market, and we have some sort of a reversal or as an accumulation patterns going on there. So, and also there are some hours of the day we have reversal hours and also distribution hours, so keep those things in your mind, and minutes as well. So basically what I like to see in the market is price acting according to the sessions. So that means if we have London session and we have New York session, if this London session breaks the low of this Asian session and just continues to back down, most of the time New York will do the same thing. It will break the London low. But the thing is, it's better to use our trade management systems as well. So in this case guys, my stop loss is at break even levels in this trade, and successfully 3.9191 has been cashed in this trade over here. So guys, basically we have an Asian order block, and also you guys can see, if I break this down correctly, you can see that we have true day open level. True day open means 12 p.m. I mean 12 a.m. Okay, so before that guys, I want to talk about the time, the session indicator. So I'm using Lux Algo session indicator to identify the sessions. So you guys can see in this case Tokyo is actually the Asian session, and it starts at 8 p.m. To midnight. So keep this in your mind guys, I'm using -4 UTC, that means the time zone of New York time zone. And in this case guys, I have the London session which is 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. and finally my New York session 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. So that's how it goes guys. You guys can copy these settings if you guys want to. So just quickly take a screenshot and make sure to change this use exchange, tick on this use exchange time zone, and make sure to hit -4 in this box over here and press on OK. So in this case guys, basically I took this trade by targeting this liquidity over here. Okay, this liquidity over here, and using my striker as this order block over here. So my order block, see, the consequent encroachment level has been tapped in. And also guys, you guys know about the power of the three, right? Power of three, that means accumulation, manipulation and distribution. And if I break my day using this true day open level, so that means 0 midnight level, I can see that clearly this area has an accumulation, and I can target until this true day open level. Okay, that's a fact guys. If the price is moving as a manipulation move, for sure guys, you guys can catch the distribution level until the true day open. True day open means simply daily open. So you guys can see the daily open rejection from the New York opening candles. You guys can see that price is rejecting to the downside. And in this case guys, you guys can see we have the Asian order block over here. I can consider this as an order block, which is at 11.15, and price has successfully tapped into that zone, and the consequent encroachment level has been respected, and it is 215. Okay, so and this liquidity over here has been taken out from this candle as well, you guys can see. And I can consider this trade over here by tapping into this fair value gap over here and to this truly open, so I can take my trade. And also you guys can see that price is breaking structures to the downside, external range liquidity has been taken out, so then price should come back to internal range liquidity. So in this case guys, the internal range liquidity is this fair value gap over here, and fair value gap plus the opening gap, opening price. Actually this is the best trade that I can take uh, for today guys. So because guys, I like to take trades from internal to external, not from external to internal. So in this case guys, I took my trade by considering breaking these lows over here, and this has an internal range liquidity for likewise. And for your knowledge guys, I targeted these lows because most of the time if the price is bullish, I mean bearish, price should take these lows over here. So I can use the previous day structure to take trades. Like I act on those historical levels, so you guys can see that, right? So that's all guys, it's that simple. So I use time and price, but the thing is only in this case I use macro time. So I told you guys before, time and price can be applied in minutes form as well. So in this case guys, I entered this trade at 7 a.m. so that means 6:50 to 7:10. Okay, 6:50 to 7:10, right? 6:50 to 7:10. We can consider that time zone as macro time. So that means in macro time, most of the time price might show some sort of a reversal or some sort of a change in the structure in that time. So in this case guys, price came back to take this liquidity over here by shifting the order flow by taking this internal range liquidity at 6:50 to 7:10 time. So that's why we have to use all of those concepts back to take entries. So basic structure I use internal external. To take my entries I use time and price concepts, that's all. And also there are some buggers in this industry, they use time and price to take entries and exits as well. So for an example, if you guys are trading the London silver bullet, you guys can take your entry at 250 to 315, right? So you guys can take your entry at that time, and also you guys can look for an exit at sharp 4 or else at sharp 350. 415 is the best time that I have noticed, so 415 is also good to exit your trade. Okay, so keep that in your mind. You guys can use time and price concepts to enter your trade and also to exit your trade. So some people use this to manage your trade as well. So soon after this will hit take profit. And also you guys can see we have previously London low, yeah, New York lows and London lows over here. So previously low is over here, and most of the time price might take that low because price failed to take the previous day high. So that means most of the time price might take this low over here. Okay, so that means this low might get invalidated. So the thing over here guys, most of you will manage your trade after price coming to an retracement like this and like hit into this order block over here, and that's okay guys, that's completely fine. But the thing is, if you guys look at the time, it's 8:15 and price is starting to go down. That means most of the time at 8:15 to 8:30 price might give us some sort of a change. So this comes with the experience guys. Most of the time at 8:30 9:30 price might reverse. So that comes purely with your experience. So make sure to use a trade management system because it will save your money as well. So in this case guys, my take profit levels has been hit, to be honest guys, because now it should be okay. So we have an BPR level over here, and I might close my trade now. Wait, okay, I closed my trade. So that's how it goes guys. And it's 1 to 4 over here, it's 1 to 3 over here. Altogether it's something close to 8% gains because we have 3.9 and 4.2. So Yeah, it's that simple, guys. So you guys can take your trades as likewise. And the thing is, guys, make sure to uh, like journal your trades. In that case only, you guys, it's better if you guys journal the time and price that you entered and the time that you exit. Okay, and make sure to just forgot about the price. If you guys are beginner level, if you guys like doesn't have any kind of experience about these time and price things, make sure to journal your trades and make sure to journal the time of the trade, like in this time you entered and this time you exited your trade. So in that case, guys, you might understand this liquidity which is engineered in this time. Like for an example, guys, okay, this is completely for an like educational purpose only, guys. Like 1:30 to 5:30, okay, we have some sort of a liquid engineered over here, and after 6 p.m price shot up and took this liquid over here. Okay, so at sharp 9 p.m price started to reverse back. So I told you guys there is a 9 p.m model, and if you guys know where the liquidity is, you guys can play that model. And in this case, guys, at sharp 9 p.m all this liquid has been taken out. So that means all the buy side liquid has been taken out, and we have an high resistance liquid resting above here. And this is a risky play, guys, to be honest, guys, because most of the time you guys doesn't know about the if the price is going to take this high or not. So sometimes you guys can take your trade from here and targeting the sell side liquidity over here as well. But in this case, you guys can risk 1% and just do it as an like an experiment. But the thing is, it's better if you guys enter at London sessions rather than playing on this 9 p.m model. So in this case, guys, you guys can identify the daily bias as well. So uh, just keep that in your mind, like there is a way to identify the daily bias by considering the Asian session. So you guys can do that thing as well. And yep, so that's all for this video, guys. So make sure to use this Killzone indicator. So this is something a basic level to the time and price concept. So for your reference, guys, I'm using UTC -4, which is New York time zone. And for Asian session, it's 8 p.m to 12. Okay, so for London, it's 2 a.m to 5 a.m. Okay, and New York session, it's 7 a.m to 12 p.m midnight. Okay, so this is a.m, and I'm using UTC -4. So that's how it goes, guys. So make sure to change those settings over there. So make sure to change it to New York session. And yeah, that's all, guys. So it's all I have to say about the kill zones. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to share this video as much as you can, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.